Hi, I'm Mike Hudson, Director of the Museum of the American Printing House for the Blind. Our Monday mystery object this week is the Microbiology and Human Anatomy, an audio tutorial program. It comes in this nice black shipping box, and essentially it is a little black monocular, kind of a microscope, stereoscope type thing, and then the box is filled with these little plastic bags. Each one has its own individual lesson and an audio tape. So this is a great example of how APH would adapt an educational aid developed for the sighted community, in this instance by a company called National Teaching Aids Incorporated in New Hyde Park, New York. And so all they did to adapt it really was add a audio tape to each one of these programs. So this kit is, appropriately enough, body defenses against infection, right? And so on the audio tape basically would be a recorded narration of all the information that's on this little pamphlet. And when we open the pamphlet up, each one of them has a little envelope on the inside with a a film strip, right? Right, so it's a color transparency. And there is a little slot in the viewer here on our little black plastic unit. And it's got 8 different images. And this little wheel here on the viewer allows you to get the focus in. And it's entirely lit by just natural light, right? And it has different parts on each one of the slides, has different things that are labeled. And those things that are labeled are actually inside of your little pamphlet, right? So the body defenses against infection is teaching you about things like the skin, the lining of your respiratory tract, white blood cells, of course, the liver, all the parts of your body. And so each one of these is kind of like as if you're looking at a slide on a microscope, only in this case it's all done photographically, so you don't actually have to prepare the slide the way you might have to do in a laboratory. So it's an entire biology lesson really in one box. And a great example of how you can adapt a product that works really great for sighted people, like this one from National Teaching Aids, for kids that are blind or low vision.